Straight pipe Chevy. Oh, that sounds so cool!
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Constant Project YouTube channel. So today I've got a special little treat for you. I need to take a break on the Subaru, just getting a little tired of it. So we are going to be putting two exhausts on two separate vehicles today. First one is the 2020 Chevy 1500, and then my friend Arturo came over and we are going to be putting an exhaust on his 2015 Chevy Colorado. A couple weeks ago we actually just redid his lowering suspension or lowering kit. It was squeaking so badly, but now we are going to take off the chopped exhaust that he has and put on a real exhaust. Let me show you those. So here are the two exhausts. We've pretty much done two polar opposite ways of doing the exhaust. Arturo has opted for this really nice AFE power catback exhaust. So, I mean, it's only three brackets, 3 band clamps, comes with everything, instructions, all that good stuff. Where I, on the other hand, had to, of course, take the difficult way and piece together my own. So here's what I've got. I've got the Borla Attack muffler, 3-inch mandrel bent tubing, 2.5-inch mandrel bent tubing. This is all stainless steel. And then the side exhaust. I think these things are gonna be pretty sweet. So since Arturo just got here, we're gonna start on my truck. So let's get the hacksaw out and start cutting off the muffler.
No difference whatsoever.
Hey, get down on my butt. Were you recording that?
Yes, I was.
Okay.
Custom.
All right, now that the exhaust is off, this is the size comparison. This thing, big boy, compared to the itty bitty Borla. So let's get this fit up and see what I need to add on to it to take up that giant size. But first, before we do that, before we fit the muffler on, I'm gonna be like a Honda boy, and we are gonna hear what a 5.3 liter sounds like straight piped. Let's do that.
Straight pipe Chevy. Oh, that sounds so cool!
Alright, so when welding this, I didn't realize how thin the actual muffler piece was, so I kept blowing through it. So I'm going to go through, grind it all off, see where there's any holes. If there are, just keep retacking it until there's no holes, because I don't want any stupid exhaust leaks. So. Alright guys, just finished mine now. As you can see, nice little double tip. Let's hear how she sounds. right, guys, so we just got done removing Arturo's exhaust, stock exhaust, and honestly, we're both pretty surprised. The muffler section is actually bigger than mine. I have the 5.3. He has the 2.5, 2.6, and then this is his aftermarket muffler to his regular muffler is like a baby compared to it. It's insane. It's literally probably half,
Probably a
third of the length and like a quarter smaller. Should sound pretty good. But now we are gonna do straight pipe of the big old 2.5 liter Chevy motor. So let's see how this sounds. I'm very curious. All right, Arturo, unleash the fury. Oh. Doesn't actually sound half bad. Kind of sounds like a Honda Civic. All right, so let's get his exhaust on. All right, guys, just got done with Arturo's exhaust. As you can see, it's all in, all the brackets on, whatever. Only issue we had was that mount right there. It honestly looks like this thing was welded on like a Friday afternoon at like 4 o'clock because the bolt holes weren't lined up and there wasn't enough spacing in between the actual center, and I tried to grind it out, wouldn't work, so I had to cut it off, redo it. But she's all on, looks real good. So we're gonna pull it off of the jack stands and get it started up and see how it sounds. That sounds good. Sweet, sweet exhaust. All right, give her a rev. Give her a little vroom vroom. What? What?
No, do it right now.
Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds real good. Alright, so an honest review from this exhaust. In the cabin, it's not really that loud. You can definitely hear it over a stock exhaust, but it's not where you can't hear each other talk or it's even really that loud at all. It's just noticeable. So honestly, if I were anyone else, I would definitely do this if you just want something that's a little bit louder, but you don't want something that's interrupting any of the cabin noise or anything. For the 2015 Chevy Colorado, honestly, it all fit up really well. The only issue was the bracket that mounted the side pipe to the frame. It was just a little bit off, but nothing a welder and a cutoff wheel can't take care of. I'm really happy with what has been done to the cars or trucks. So that's really it for me. Please let me know what you think of this video, if there's anything I can do better or you'd like me to change. But if not, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hello, everyone. I hope you can hear me. If you can, my balls, my balls, my balls. My little baby balls. I really hope you guys can hear this because it really sucks having to yell and it'd be so echoey. So, yeah.